happy.
Why don't you drill some holes in the top of that piston for ring expansion?
I should just grind the rings out like I did my other bike.
Grind them out?
Gapless rings.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. That's how you do it. Let's see, we need to... Yep, you put a groove in there on the top of the ring. The gases go behind it and expand it up.
Oh, okay.
What's nice though, it's self-cleaning.
Self-cleaning?
Yeah.
When it does that?
As it rotates, it cleans the groove out. Pretty much. It can still plug up with enough crud in there, but...
No sand and stuff?
When you put all the little holes in here, they fill up full of carbon.
That's true.
So, when you use the ones on the sides, they stay clean for a long time. If it's a real race motor, it doesn't get a bunch of carbon in there.
They don't run it at the dirt track either, though. Or they just don't get enough time on them to build up any carbon anyway, huh?
Yeah, well, you run hard enough, you don't get a lot of carbon in them. Carbon means it's rich. If you're making max power, you're not rich. You're lean.
Right.
You're clean. Your boom's clean.
Right on the edge of destination.
That's the way you run it. Okay, this is going to be the problem one. So, do we put this in now or later, or leave it out? We'll leave that out. Okay, where's the side to side? Is this way. Back is here, front's here. Front has the pit out at. Where's the ring at? The ding is right over here. These are stiff ass rings too. Move one in. Don't put the gap right where the thing is.
Wherever the other one is? Oh, where the groove is? The cylinder?
This is. So you need that like that to go like that, see? Used to have better nails. Okay, there's a gap there, and the other one's over here, see?
Yep.
Hey, the ring came out. Bastard.
There you go. Funny wear pattern, I'll tell you that.
How about this one?
Same thing.
Push rods are on this side.
Front.
Some on the exhaust side. Push here. Groove's in the wrong spot. About those pinches, you're fine. Where's the groove at? Where'd the groove go? Oh, it's over here where the groove is. Shouldn't be in this thrust face, dumbass. Doesn't belong in the thrust face. It belongs over here. Like my ring compressor?
Yeah.
There's a gap there. See, that one's over here. Once again, those aren't supposed to be on the sides like that.
Explain to the listeners what thrust space is.
That's when the piston fires, it shoves sideways. Because the rod's going this way, so it pushes to the back. If you're off the gas decelerating, it reverses on you. It goes on the other side.
Oh,
So if you do a lot of heavy downshifting, you eat up both sides of the pistons. If you're just on the throttle all the time, you only do one side.
hmm.
See the gaps over here. See that doesn't go in because see it's jammed up now.
Yep.
Get it back up out in the groove. Back over here. See the groove now? It goes under. See how it goes in nice and easy?
Yeah.
Then you just work around back in a circle. It goes in. Now we're on this one. It's in. I already fit on that side too. Where's our clip at? Clip us. That goes in like that. But you got to put a gasket in there.
Gasket cinch.
Gasket.
Been neat on that rear one.
Like that. Make it go in. You have to find some of these holes that actually line up. Like that.
A little more worried about the crankcase base there.
What's the matter? Do you want the titty up or the titty down?
As long as the holes line up. Until you down.
Lines up either way. Except that hole doesn't line up.
You got a pin right there somewhere?
Yeah. It has to go this way. Titty goes up on this one. You know what this one's going to be?
I was saying.
Titty's going to go down.
Either or on the piston, the gaskets.
Which way this one got it buckled up. We got the hole.
Where's a single one out in the front? Can't go work like that.
The hole.
There you go. No hole on that side though. Kinetic?
Must be a front and a back. No, the same gasket. So the cylinders are, the cylinders are equal. That's right. That's why it goes the same way.
So you could put
There's no
that
difference
either
in
one,
front
front and rear,
There's
except
no
for
difference front and rear. The only difference is on the
the
big
grooves,
bore.
you know?
On the big bore they cut them here. The cylinders are bigger. So they cut them. Harley, there's no difference front to rear.
Hmm.
So the gaskets, the tits are all up, beveled down, because that's how the gasket's made. So it must matter to them. Doesn't matter to me. It must matter to them. So now we have to get the cylinder over this. We're going to beat it down with a hammer.
Should we put this in the carrier?
Keep the piston down so we can get to it. It'll be fun.